Okay, so the sun has a diameter of about 865,000 miles and a maximum distance from the Earth of about 94,500,000 miles. The moon has a smaller diameter of only 2159 miles, and for a total solar eclipse, the moon must pass between the Earth and the sun, and it must be close enough for the moon's umbra shadow to reach the surface of the Earth. Calculate the maximum distance the nearest mile that the moon can be from the Earth and still have a total solar eclipse occur. Okay, so what we've got is we've got two triangles. We have this big, oh, I want to be able to draw. We have this big triangle, and then we have inside, I want a contrasting color, this little triangle, which I just drew very, very badly. And so we're going to use these. These are similar triangles because we can see here that this first angle, that's going to be the same, and that these two will be the same as well. Those are actually corresponding angles if we cared. So we are going to use this fact. So in the larger triangle, the straight line, my thing, is this 94.5. And then I've got my diameter, which was 865,000. And then in my smaller triangle, this is what we're searching for, and this is 2159. As a note, if you flip-flop these, it doesn't matter. The only thing that does matter is that it's side A, side B. You're consistent which side. So like both of this is my length, both of these in the denominator are my diameter. So it matters they match up, but it doesn't matter if I flip the order, this would still work out. And then I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to just, I'm just going to cross multiply here. So I get 500,000. So I got to make sure I have enough zeros. That's the hardest part about this. Times my 2159. And I've got like 2.04 times 10 to the 11th. And I'm going to divide by this 865,000. So I get 867.6. But this said round to, let's see here, to the nearest 1,000 miles. So that's 236,000 miles. Okay, that's the maximum distance it can be and have its shadow do it. So now when we look at these, we can see that this is somewhere in the between of us, somewhere in the middle of this. So yes, a total eclipse will not, so it can't occur every time. That's what I'm meaning to say here, because our number is somewhere between these two. So there are times when it is too far away from the Earth to make a total solar eclipse. That's why they're rare. But you can see we're just using similar triangles, and a lot of it simply is figuring out where your triangles are in the picture. And it really helps to have that picture drawn out and go, oh, hey, where does my triangle, where can I draw a triangle? And you're always looking, can I draw some sort of triangle? And especially if we can draw a right triangle, we're going to be even happier. But just any triangle a lot of times will do as well.